Here, I'm off the gambling about a year now. I don't gamble at all anymore because it was a disaster for the horses, but I'm going to go in here now and wind me out that up over on a bit of crack. Ah, oh well, sorry bud, that's crack. Oh, not too bad, yeah. You didn't back anyone in Cheltenham today, no? Gold Cup.
Oh, you joking me or what? Why did you? Did you, bud?
Yeah, no, I did. Back Bob's worth in the Gold Cup, fucking lost. I'm raging with myself.
You're joking me, aren't you? How much? How much you put on?
€200.
€200?
Yeah.
Are you see joking me or something? No. €200?
I know.
Where did you get it, Rory?
I'm raging. I don't even have any money now to drink the weekend. I'm fucking bulling with myself. I'm
So
sorry.
I'm not fucking surprised, Rory. That's a bollocks now. Does anyone know this?
No, don't say that. No, I'm raging. I know.
Yeah, you're
I'm
raging,
fucking,
yeah.
I thought he was definitely going to win. Fuck's sake.
Rory, that is just stupid. You learnt your lesson before, now you're back doing it again. I'm fed up of it. And I tell you one thing, don't come to me looking for money. Or don't give him money, Mary.
I'm sorry, I'm only winding you up. I'm sorry.